Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi guys. Today we will continue our lesson on chapter 5.2 definite integral. The learning outcomes of today's lesson is to determine the value of the definite integral. Today we are going to learn about definite integrals by using substitution method. Let's try the example given. Find the definite integral of x times 2x minus 1 to the power of 8 from 0 to 1 by using the substitution method. There are two ways to answer these questions. I will show you the first method. First step is we have to let u equal to 2x minus 1. Next, we differentiate it with respect to x. We get the answer is 2. Next, find the dx. Dx is equal to du over 2. From the first expressions here, we can find x in terms of u. We will get here u plus 1 over 2. Next, the second step. We are going to substitute x in terms of u. So the first one, x here is equal to u plus 1 over 2. So we put it here, u plus 1 over 2. Next, we have here 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 is equal to u. So we will get here u to the power of 8. And the last one, dx, is equal to du over 2. So put it here, du over 2. We're going to simplify it first before we integrate without the limit. So 1 over 4 u to the power of 9 plus u to the power of 8 du. Next, we are going to integrate it. So we'll get here 1 over 4 times u to the power of 10 over 10 plus u to the power of 9 over 9 plus c. Next step is we're going to substitute u in terms of x. So we'll get here 1 over 4 times with 2x minus 1 to the power of 10 over 10 plus 2x minus 1 power of 9 over 9 plus c. The third step. Now we are going to substitute the limit. So the question here is integration from 0 to 1 for x times 2x minus 1 to the power of 8 dx. This is actually equal to 1 over 4 times 2x minus 1 to the power of 10. We can get the answer from here. Over 10 plus 2x minus 1 to the power of 9 over 9, and put the limit from 0 to 1. Now we are going to substitute the limit. 1 over 4 times 1 over 10 plus 1 over 9 for the upper limit, minus with 1 over 10 minus with 1 over 9. So by using a calculator, we will get the answer 1 over 18. Done. Let's move to the second method. Now let's try answer the questions by using the second method. First step, we're going to let u equal to 2x minus 1. Next, we're going to differentiate it with respect to x. We get the answer is 2. And we get dx is equal to du over 2. From these expressions, we'll get x is equal to u plus 1 over 2. Second step, we're going to substitute the limit. So, we'll get here when the limit, first one, when the limit is equal to 0, means that when x is equal to 0, we're going to change it into u. So we substitute here 2 times 0 minus 1. So we'll get the answer is negative 1. We try again for the upper limit. So the upper limit now is 1. When x is equal to 1, we'll get the answer u is equal to 2 times 1 minus 1, and u is equal to 1. And the third step, we write down the questions from 0 to 1, x times 2x minus 1 to the power of 8 dx is equal to the integration of u plus 1 over 2 times with u to the power of 8, and dx is equal to du over 2. And we can substitute the limit from negative 1 up to 1. We'll get the limit from here. Next, we're going to simplify it. We'll get here from negative 1 to 1, u to the power of 9 plus u to the power of 8 du. We are going to integrate it with respect to u. We get the answer u to the power of 10 over 10 plus u to the power of 9 over 9 from negative 1 to 1. Next, we are going to substitute the limit. So, when we substitute the upper limit, we'll get the answer 1 over 10 plus 1 over 9 minus with, when we substitute the lower limit, we get the answer here 1 over 10 minus 1 over 9. By using your calculator, we'll get the final answer 1 over 18. Done. Here is some exercises for you. That's all. Thank you.